Besides your camera gear, there's a lot that you should bring with you when you're filming out in nature or in an unfamiliar location. In this episode, I'll talk about important things that you should have with you on your trip.
When filming in a low-light environment, it's always nice to have a little extra kick of a little bit of light. That's why I bring along one of these. I like to use LightPanel's Chroma LED light because it's dimmable, first of all, and I can also change the color temperature from warm to cold. I like to mount this LED panel on top of my camera facing whatever I'm filming. And it's really awesome because it runs off of AA batteries. Next up is extra batteries and media. If you plan to be shooting all day, you're gonna need more than 1 or 2 extra batteries. You're gonna want a few to keep your camera running all day. Also, if you plan to be shooting in an area without any electricity or power source, it's wise to bring along an extra battery power charger or 2. These things are great and will charge your devices while you're working. Extra points if it has solar power. Now last but not least, on top of all your camera gear, you're gonna wanna bring along some personal gear. Now topping off the list for me is bringing along extra food and water. You're gonna wanna bring along extra because you never know if you're gonna be out there for a little bit longer than you expected. Another really important thing to bring along is a personal first aid kit. On top of that, you're gonna wanna bring a communication device and a headlamp just in case it gets dark out.
Learn more about what to bring with you in the rest of the travel series over at filmora.io.